Good morning, everybody. This is Donna Jerling, and I'm letting you know that I pull my oracle cards every morning. And this morning, my question to the universe was, what can I do to help declutter and get my house organized so I can pack up the stuff that's going to go to the B&B and then identify what items I've bought on auctions and at estate sales for my online store with Funky America, and then just, sell the rest of it on Facebook Marketplace. So I want to share with you the card that I got. And remember, my question to the universe was, what can I do to declutter my house? I hope you can see that. It's a tidy house, clarity and organization. And if you will allow me to, I want to read this to you because I think this is, in this day and age when everybody, sorry, my nose is itching, has so much emphasis on items. I want to read this to you. And also, I thought it was interesting that before I even pulled, I did my pendulum clearing. And my start of my 5-day mantra this next 5-day period is, I am universe. So here we go. A tidy house, clarity and organization, a thorough inventory, an auspicious symbol. Now keep in mind, I had just asked the universe for what should my card be today for my journey of cleaning up my house and organizing. If my emotional world feels messy and unruly and I can't seem to get clear, it's time to see how my environment is affecting me. Although my inner world has a huge impact on what shows up in my outer world, the reverse is also true. I can be influenced by the people who populate my daily life and the energy of the objects I surround myself with. Basically, everything in my surroundings. Now is the time for an inventory and full clearing of my environment. Ask for clarity from my relationships and do not make assumptions at this time. Clear and unambiguous communication is key. I may choose to let go of some people from my life when this shows up. This is a good thing. Otherwise, I might stay in those relationships too long out of a sense of obligation and social courtesy, when in truth there is nothing holding us together. Be impeccable with my word. Say what I mean, and be willing to make whatever changes are necessary to clean up my side of the street. If I know I am doing the right thing, it doesn't matter who has an opinion. That said, right now, once I am sure my proverbial house is a tidy one, there is a release of energy to begin new things, to enjoy life, and to know with certainty I am on the right path. I am so very grateful for that card. It just reinforced that I am on the right path, and that my clarity will get even bigger and stronger once I get done with cleaning up my outside environment. I do take a lot of time working on my inside environment, and I just thought it was interesting that all those things were synchronized and a lot of serendipity this morning. So have a blessed day. Donna Jerling, October the 7th, 2022.